Okay guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a mystery unboxing, which is a gift from my parents. Yeah, they're quite nice. Okay, so I have two gifts from my parents. I'll just show you them. Okay, first I have a VR from MI, which is a gift from parents, and the second one is quite interesting, by the way. It is a Korean projector from LG. It is not released in India yet. Okay, it is not released in India. You have to keep in mind. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing this and this, like unboxing and showing you the content inside them. I can't handle these, so I'm quite excited about these. Okay, so I'll just open them in front of you. I haven't opened them before. Okay, so let's start with this projector, which is from Korea. Okay, so let's start unboxing this. We have like remove the lid. Okay, what's inside? So basically we have a cover in which there might be some like where the projector is placed, and it is inside a velvet cover. Okay, the quality is awesome. So it's velvet, it's black velvet. We'll keep this aside for now and move on to the paperwork. Okay, there's some paperwork by LG, where the device specifications are mentioned and how to use it is mentioned. Okay, uh let's what's inside the box. I opened it and we can see some cables and stuff. So first is the power cable. Okay guys, this power cable which is used to charge the projector, which I just got. And next is a stand projector where we'll keep the stand and watch my videos. Yeah, only my videos. Next up, we have the stand, the main stand to like use stuff. I'll just take this off from the plastic cover, and yeah. So guys, can you see this a second? It can be tilted, rotated, everything. Okay guys, it'll just fit on the stand. Okay, and next up we have the main power adapter, as you guys say. Okay, this is the power adapter. It'll like be 6 watts or so. It's a good charger. Okay, now we'll come to the main thing, which is the projector. Guys, let's see. Moment of truth. Look at the sleekness. Like wow. And also I have to mention it contains a touchpad right here. Guys, a touchpad. Okay, I'll show you. It's like how does this record and stuff and project. I'll just show you how to open this. A second. And also just a second, we just open this. It also contains a self stand, as you can see. Let's open this, and the main projector lies here. Can you see this guy? The blue thing is the projector. Okay, this is a home projector, so I can watch movies, videos, everything on this little pocket projector and control what I have to watch with this smart touch screen, which I just got. Okay, guys, we will just start this. Okay, so basically, I'll just project some stuff on this. Okay, guys, we can also open Google on this thing. Yeah, for that I'll make a separate video which is continued by this. I'll just make it. Okay, so we done. Okay, and I've got this, the Me projector. MI Google Cardboard is supposed to Google Cardboard, and to mention that obviously, and to see what's inside this thing. Oh my god, guys, look at this. This thing is so damn freaking cool. Look at the fabric of this. Can you see the sparkling shiny surface on the Me logo? Sorry. Okay, so for that also I'll just show you a thing. Okay, I will show you. Now the time is to test. Now it's time to test the projector, which we just unboxed. It's right here. I'll just show you how it works. As you can can see this is the Korean version of the projector, and my projector is lying here. Okay, straight projection. Okay, now the time is to control this thing. Guys, I'm feeling that cool. Wow, interesting. This is amazing. Also, we can, like, if we move this, this also moves. Where's the mouse? Okay, guys, look at this. I am touching this, and we can move to a web browser. Web browser right here. You can see this. We'll just tap on this, like double tap, and Google. My favorite thing. Oh wait, Mindspark's opening. You will cancel this and go to this web browser. The Korean thing is opening. The Korean Google, as like people say, it's opening. On camera, the projector, like, it's not working comfortably. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see, it also works on my bed. Perfect projector, home projector. You can use this for your home. Okay, basically what's happening is that the blank screen is saying it's due to the infrared part. Okay, I'll just play a video. Second, camera shade, sorry. I'll just open YouTube on this. YouTube, and I'll see one of my videos. Okay, guys, where's YouTube? This, the quality is very good. I'll just increase brightness of the thing. Okay, back to normal. Okay, so basically I'm on YouTube. We'll click on this, and yeah, so basically YouTube is opening on this small little projector. As you can see, like, look at this. It is projecting. I'll just show you. Oh my god, wow. This is purely amazing. Okay, back to this. Okay guys, so YouTube has opened on this particular device. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow. Amazing, man, amazing. This freaking thing is amazing. Okay, we'll move on and use our VR box. Yeah, I'll just close my projector. Okay, cause yeah, I'll close this. Okay, so we'll close this right now. Okay, like, we are closing it. Yeah, I want to power off this device. Okay, it's going down. Power off. Yeah. Okay, this is gone. The projector is off, and now the time is to move on our VR box. So basically, this VR box is a bit expensive but affordable. Also, I have to mention the price of this projector. It's like around 6,000, but if you want this for a bit cheap, you can just subscribe to the channel and get a promo code. Okay guys, so please click the bell icon and click subscribe button till I will sleep on my bed. Yeah, so you have to subscribe and like my videos. You have to, cause I'm back. I am back. Bye.